Missed an e-invoice submission? AutoCount now lets you submit it under the SVDP.
In AutoCount, how do we go on with SVDP? First, you go to e-Invoice into your e-Invoice setting. And in this setting page, click the setting button. Okay, you can see we have added a new checkbox, enable e-Invoice Special Voluntary Disclosure Programme. So if the customer or the taxpayer wish to run this SVDP or have the chance to use SVDP functionality, you may need to enable from the setting. Okay, I've enabled it over here. So after you have enabled, it's pretty much very simple and straightforward. In our e-invoice documents, all our e-invoice documents, which is invoice, cash sale, debit note, credit note, AR credit note, and self-bill, we will have this SVDP function. When we create a new invoice, for example, I choose TM, Century, okay? I put it 100. Let's say I missed out a submission. This is supposed to be a May transaction. I want to use SVDP to submit. So what can I do is I go to the top tab, Edit. There will be a e-Invoice SVDP checkbox over here. Okay, this one is because I set my relaxation period, so ignore this. This one is the SVDP that I mentioned. So if you want to submit this transaction using SVDP, just click on this and click Approve. So it will be submit using SVDP. Okay, for the sandbox, if you all try, sometimes it might fail. Probably I just show you in the My Tax Portal. Okay, this is my Tax Portal. You can see if once successfully submitted, you will get this type. The version over here you can see is 1.3. Okay, we are usually when we submit is 1.1. 1.1 is the ordinary normal submission. 1.3 is the SVDP submission with digital signature. Because we AutoCount has the digital signature, so our submission will be either 1.1 or 1.3. Okay, 1.3 will be for the SVDP.
With AutoCount SVDP feature to submit e-invoices that were previously missed. If your system doesn't have this feature yet, contact our team and we'll help you upgrade your AutoCount system.